Welcome back. Now what we need to do is that we need to scroll automatically, because if you type something here, if you say, for example, do you have a car, and send, it's not going to scroll automatically. You have to scroll manually to see the last message. So how can you fix this problem? To fix this problem, you can simply open the main.js, and then in the main.js, in three functions, we need to add a code. In the chatbot response, we need to add this code. Chatbot chat container.scroll top is equal to chat container.scroll height. Similarly, in the send message, we need to add the same code. At the end here, we need to say chat container.scroll top is equal to chat container scroll height. Scroll height. Also, in the server response, we need to say chat container scroll top, chat container scroll height. Now if I refresh and test, let me show you what's going to happen. So if I test now, and if I say, for example, do you have a car, and send, it's going to display it, but we need to add so many messages so that we will have here the scroll effect. So I'm going to say, hi, do you have kids? Do you like pizza? Let me try another one. For example, here we have what else? We have, for example, do you pay mortgage? And as you can see, it will automatically scroll. Let me try one more time. I'm going to say, do you pay mortgage? And if I click on send, as you can see, it will automatically scroll to the last message. Also, one of the most important things is that whenever you type something, we want to wait a little. We don't want the chatbot to respond automatically. We don't want the chatbot to respond immediately, because it would look like it would look a little weird. We want it to be to look like if we were talking to a human being, and that because a human being, of course, would not respond immediately. A human being would take like a few seconds to respond. So to add some delay here, you can say, here, before displaying the message, you can use the set timeout. You can set the set timeout and display the message after a specific amount of time. So you can here say set time out, and then here I'm going to say, for example, 2 seconds, after 2 seconds. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy these two lines, and then I'm going to paste them inside this set timeout. You can do this also with this function, with the chatbot response. But let's test with this function. Now let me refresh. Now if I say hi and send, the response is going to take a couple of seconds. So as you can see, it's not going to be added immediately. It's going to take, let me show you this again. Let me refresh. If I say hi and send, as you can see, it's not going to be added immediately. It's going to take a couple of seconds. If I say, do you have a car, and send, it's going to take 2 seconds for the chatbot to respond. So as you can see, it's going to take 2 seconds, which is amazing, because we want to make the chatbot look like a or sound like a human being, which now is very close to that, which is amazing.